Hello guys, lalakad naman ako guys. Sama ko yung dalawang buddies ko. Yes. Bakit? Maghahanap kami ng liwaliw guys. A little bit. Ito yung hagdanan namin dito guys. Ang favorite hagdanan. Old time. Again, that's my Baltino. We're going oh, nakapatay na pala siya. So guys, right. Okay. Yan, ganun should be the one. And i-charge ko to guys, yung GoPro battery ko. So, ito lang siguro siya sa baba. Oh, mukhang maluwag matatanggal to. Well, tingnan natin mamaya kung matanggal mo siya. Pinaandar ko na ito kanina. Hindi ko siya umandar. Niremote ko na ito kanina. Natapos na yung 10 minutes o 6 minutes. 6 minutes lang kasi yung settings nito na nakaandar. So tingnan natin yung RPM niya mababa. So ibig sabihin kaya galing lang niya sa
recent ignition off. Kasi pag bagong under siya na galing sa rest ng 24 hours, ang RPM niya ay nasa
1.4 ganun. So yan yung Garmin ko guys. Dito pagka iniiwan ko. Tapat naman siya sa so yun guys, tanggalin ko to. Oh sorry, tumabingi si Garmin. Hello Garmin. So ganito lang yan guys. That's it. Yan, ganyan lang. So guys, update ako. Zero pa. Lalakad pa lang kami. Yan yung palibot namin. Yan, katabing kotse. So yan yung harap ng parking ko. Kabila is other apartment complex. So guys, heading to ano pala kami, Konkan. Texas. Go search. There you go. So what particular place in Konkan? Let me check first.
So mga guys, isa nga sa napakagandang features ng 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe is yung downloaded map niya sa navigation system. Kusa itong nag-update. At the same time, nakakatulong ito ng malaki para ma-pinpoint mo yung area na gusto mong puntahan during your adventure. At kung ang Apple CarPlay naman ang gamit mo, meron din itong Apple Map na very reliable help din para marating mo ng madali at malalaman mo kung ilang oras at ang distance ng iyong pupuntahan. So yung dalawang map na to is malaking tulong. Other than that, you can use also the Google Map.
Ayaw kung kahit doon sa
Malapit yung sa club because saan tayo magkaano, party lagi. Pwede nila ano.
doon lang, di ba?
Oo, sa likod.
Turn right onto Green Meadow Drive, then
Hindi
turn
naman
left.
mag-usap sa
Hindi, scenery yung pupuntahan natin. Scenery. Lalakad na ng mga klase mo siya eh.
klase mo ba yan?
Hindi mo mga klase yun. Now leasing.
Turn
Oh,
left onto Green
maraming
Valley
bakante
Trail,
ngayon dito.
then turn
Naglayasan.
right onto West Loop
Oh.
306 Frontage Road.
Naglayasan yung mga ano. Bakit kaya?
Ano na?
Mga tapos na yung mga trabaho nila dito.
Turn left
San
onto
Angelo.
Stone Canyon Trail, then turn right onto West Loop 306 Frontage Road.
We're gonna gas up first. So, anong bibili natin? So guys, gagas up lang kami. Dito kami sa Jack's Convenience Stores. Meron silang sariling gasoline station. So, I have to gas up lang. Yan. Like,
Hi! Okay, so for the meantime, my dad is currently working on our gas. And I'm here with my brother. I don't know if he's sleeping or he's faking it. Yeah, he's faking it. Like, look at his seatbelt. It's on his face. Chico, I'm recording you, you know. But, yeah. Anyways. So, we're going to Concon, Texas. I think it's 2 hours drive. And hopefully the road trip's gonna goes well. Like, you know. I don't know why I'm stuttering, but probably because of the heat. And you can see my dad working on it. I don't really know how gas works here, but I'm trying to learn it. Chico, say hi. Say hi. Yeah, he's kind of introvert somehow, but hopefully he started speaking. Like, you know, say something.
Hi.
Yeah, that's the only thing he can say right now. He's kind of shy, but that's okay. So we're at, okay, I don't know where this place is, but it's somewhere in Knickerbocker. Yeah, it's Knickerbocker. It's my dad. My dad is taking something out. I don't know what it is, but okay. Okay, so I'll update you guys somehow after Dad is done with this. So, bye. Wait, how do you? Okay. Okay, guys. So we're at Whataburger right now. My dad and my brother went inside because we're gonna order like a food. Well, Papa is driving later. So yeah, as you can see, that's Whataburger. I can go outside because it's really hot, but let me show you. There you go. Yeah. So I actually don't know what to do like later in Concon River, but hopefully I can go out. I can go swim if it's free. If it's really okay to swim there or without payment. But yeah, I'm actually excited for it because I want to see the scenery, and I have a Polaroid here that I wanted to use. But hopefully there's still some frame inside. Like, here you go. Yeah, I just got this on my project graduation, but it's actually trade because I got a gift card and someone traded a Polaroid to me, and why don't, yeah, okay. So yeah, I traded my gift card, like all of my gift cards, to that person, and I got this. It's actually pretty. I like the color, but I wanted pink because I'm a pink person. So yeah, and I don't know what weather right now. I think it's sunny. Yeah, it's sunny. 83. Can you see it? Yeah, it's 83 Celsius or degree, whatever. Cause honestly, I don't really care about that Celsius or degree. And okay, so on Monday, I'm gonna work. I'm gonna work there. Like, it's only for students. Like, it's a summer camp. It's summer camp. Why did I say camp? Cramp. Okay, so I have my friend there who's gonna go to Moira, and basically we're gonna work there and learn something and have fun. But obviously it's a hospital, so I don't know what I'm gonna see there or what I'm gonna expect. So I just hope things goes well, because I'm actually nervous, because I'm gonna socialize and learn some things without my friends or anything I am close with, because I'm too introverted for a reason. So I'm kinda shy right now because someone is on the other car and they're going out. Okay. So yeah, I'm basically alone and I'm having fun. I like it. I don't really like going outside because I have something on my lips and my makeup is kind of odd. So I'm probably gonna fix this because I think I bit this or something. I don't know. So probably just gonna do this. Hey, but okay. So I'll update you guys when my dad and my brother is here already. So bye bye. Okay guys, so my dad and my brother is back and they have the Whataburger now. So I got a Sprite. I think my brother got a Coke. Did you get a Coke? He said yeah. Okay, so my dad is back, so I'm gonna give it to him. Okay, so we're currently going now and the food is already here. Yeah, that's Whataburger.
Turn left onto Knickerbocker Road.
And
Then turn right
yeah,
onto
so we're going now.
306
And my dad is
French Road.
driving. Well, it's actually so hot right now because I think just like earlier I told you that it's 83 Celsius. Yeah. So right now I'm with my brother, but he's kind of shy. He doesn't want to speak at all. So yeah. One thing I hate here, and like every summer,
306 French
like I mean this is my second summer. It's really hot and like there's no, even if you go outside you won't get like a sweat or something, but just like it's really dry outside.
the left lane. Take a slight left turn. Merge onto State
So
Highway.
anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and eat for now. I'm gonna update you guys when we're outside San Angelo. So bye.
Hello guys, ito nandito na kami banda sa unahan ng wall. So kita mo yan guys, sobrang patag dito. Sarap magkaroon ng farm talaga rito sa Texas. Maganda at kabilaan ng patag. So yan guys, the moment naka 70 miles per hour ako, overtake ako guys yan. So overtake ako. Nakaset ako sa 76. Yan, 76 miles per hour ako. So yan guys. And sinusundan ko tong Ford yata to. O Fiesta. So usually guys, pagka ganito ang biyahe long distance, stay on the right side ka lang lagi. Kasi ang left side, laging ano lang yan siya, reserved for passing or pag mag-overtake ka. So dito ka lang magbe-maintain ng speed limit mo, na allowed na speed limit. Then kung gusto mong humataw ng konti, diyan ka sa left side ulit. So most of the time ang mga motorist talagang dito lang sa right side guys. So bihirang-bihira ka makakita ng tumatakbo dyan sa right, sa left side, kasi intended for overtake lang yun talaga. So ganito ka disiplinado dito guys, as compared sa atin dyan, no? Sa bansa natin na hataw ng hataw lang, basta sinong mauna, sinong mabilis, good looking. Dito hindi pwede kasi may mga nag-aabang sa unahan ng mga sheriff at naka twin turbo yung mga makina no, kaya bibilis, ang dali mong abutan kung alanganin lang yung makina mo. So at the moment guys, naka ano lang ako, 75, 74. So yan, naka cruise control naman ako. So control niya yung distance niya sa sinusundan, at saka kung ano yung distance, ano yung speed ng nasa unahan ko, yun na rin yung speed ko. So yan, naka 75 lang siya guys, maintain siya ng 75. So ibig sabihin maintain sa 75 yung kotse na sa unahan ko. So naka ano naman ako, naka 4 bars distance. So nakalimutan ko kung ilan ng equivalent seconds yan ang distance pag nag-brake ka ng mabilisan. Then yung takbo ng gulong mo bago siya tuluyang huminto. So ganun ang distance yan guys. So safe distance yan. So ayan. So ayan yung ano. So far guys, magaganda ang mga feedback ko dito sa unit ko na XRT. Pero ano pala to guys, tinamaan siya ng hail. So may mga dent siya. Hindi naman siya masyadong halatado kung malayuan, pero kung malapitan, may mga dent siya. So lalaki kasi ng hail na bumagsak nung nasa ano ko, na-post ko yun sa FB ko eh. So yun, saka nabasag yung windshield ko. Doon napalitan ko na at the moment. So ito guys, may overtake sa akin. So big truck, it's heavy duty na Ford. So mostly ganyan, naka 80 sila, mga farmers, madaling makarating doon sa farm nila. So tingnan mo yan guys, this is Texas. Daming farm dito, sarap. Pagka ako magkaroon ng farm dito, bubungkaling ko talaga. Posibleng itatanim na pwede, itatanim ko. So far, ang ganda ng performance ng XRT ko na Hyundai. Kung meron mga yun, may kaklase siya dun, black ang color, malamang ano yun, calligraphy or other model na Hyundai Edge model. So yun guys.
So we're eating right now. I have this chicken strip. It's Whataburger. Yeah. So it's really crunchy and I like it. Chico, wait lang. Good. I have my tumbler here, my water. So in case if I'm thirsty.
sasakyan na to, guys. Pagka matapos tong passing lane, then makikita mo na ano siya, kusa siyang babalik sa lane niya. So ganun ka high tech tong sasakyan na to. So yan, I'm not really oh, it's 60 bilisan mo. Yeah, 60. So guys, 60 na lang dito. We're approaching this another town. We're passing this area, engine brake. Okay. So it's 55. I'm running 40. So I'm running 49. So no problem. Straight lang to. Then may mga gas station dito, guys. Right. Maliit lang na town. It's junction. So dito mo makikita yung ano, I-10 at saka itong country road na dinaanan namin, Highway 87. So lapit na kami sa junction. So 50 lang dito ang speed limit. I'm running at 43 already. So approaching to 45. Yeah guys, I'm already in 43, so safe lang. Dahan-dahan lang talaga. So binalik ko sa 45 yung settings ko. Kasi may nakasunod sa akin. Baka maabala masyado sila. So guys, ito yung junction area. This is usually we turn right going to I-10 going to San Antonio. So guys, so 40. Okay, 35 na ako. So yan guys, Bronco, ang ganda, ang laki. Pero mas maganda yung ano, nakabukaka kasi yung ano, yung tawag doon, Raptor, yeah, Raptor na Bronco. It's really a nice looking Raptor Bronco. So dito guys, may area sila na maganda rin tambayan dito. So this is junction. Look at that. So this is a bridge. So yan guys ang map niya. So dito 35 tayo. So I put my speed to 33. So guys, just pass this light. Okay. This is proper, Maynard proper. So Maynard Bank, Maynard Budget Inn. So may mga tulugan dito. Talagang alanganin na. So, tahimik na town, maliit na town. Pero mukhang ano naman, progressive. So guys, this is junction. Yan, going to I-10. Diretso ka dyan.
For about 26
Dito
miles, continue
to
straight.
83 South. So yan. So right kami. Then, look at the stretch of the highway guys. Ganda. So naka 75 yung sinusundan ko, naka 69 lang siya. There you go guys. Straight na straight. Puting-puti yung kalsada. So, alright, that's it. It's really looking good. And speed limit is 75. So yeah, we're at the speed limit. So nasa unahan ko, naka 76 siya. Same with me. Right. So look at that guys. Green na green ngayon. Summer. From spring to summer. So ang ganda ng mga puno. nakabawi na kagad na ang mga dahon. Green na green sila. So look at that. Di ba guys? Ang ganda. Then sa December, mga siguro November, October, like that. Umpisa na namang maglalagas ulit. Fall. So guys, look at that stretch ng isang kalsada. Grabe, tuwid na tuwid. Ganda. Sarap dito patakbuhin yung mga sports car pagka walang ibang dumadaan. So ayan ulit guys, tingnan nyo yung sa manubela ko, kusa siyang liliko. Tingnan mo, hindi ko inawakan yan kusa siyang magsi-center lane talaga. Tapos mangingi siya ng driver's assistance pag nakalimutan mo na o matagal-tagal mo siyang mabitawan. So yan ang kagandahan dito guys. Tsaka babagal siya, kusa siyang babagal. So babalik mo na naman siya sa normal yan na speed. Yan, naka-80 ako. Yan, back to 75. So yan guys, balik na naman tayo sa passing lane kasi to guys. Yan. Sa overtake ka lang dyan kung mabilis ka. Tapos balik tayo dito. Kita mo guys, babalik siya pa sa merging lane na naman siya. Yan. So ganun lang. Ganun lang siya ka high tech sasakyan ko na to. Malaking tulong sa long drive tulad niyan, no? Yung stretch ng kalsada, lalayo niya, milya-milyahe guys, puti-puti lang. So malaking tulong, relax sa long drive. Isn't that good? Diba guys? Kumpara sa ibang mga sasakyan, advanced na rin siya. Parang ano na rin siya, GMC, yung mga GMC na Yukon o GMC ano ba yan? Sienna o Sierra, Denali. So yun, may lane centering ano din yun, feature. Guys, look at that view. Ang ganda, di ba? Pababa lang siya. So, yan. Naka speed control naman siya kasi naka-set siya sa 78. So, ilagay ko lang 75. So, yan. So, ang nasa unahan ko, matakbo lang siya ng 65. So, good. Enough para sa highway na yun na pababa. Pero may mga bulubundukin na dito guys, look at that. Dito din sa unahan. So we're at 70 speed limit. Oh, may maganda rito guys, ang quarry sa construction. So we're approaching to 55 speed limit. That's it. So naka 53 lang ako, so safety tayo guys. So ang ano nito, sa unahan diretso lang. So tayo.
In 1 mile, turn turn left to merge onto US 83 South.
1 mile. Mag-ano pala ako. Turn left ako. So this is Cooper's Barbecue. Pero construction naman to dito guys. Construction areas. Alright. So there's an airport. May strips. Ito. Airport pala to guys. So yan. That's it. Then 45 tayo dito. 44. Okay. Then dito ako sa left side. Para sure na ako na palikot to the left. So this is like the junction again.
Speed check reported ahead on I-10 East.
Alright, okay. So guys, update lang.
Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Hello guys, ito update. Tingnan mo yung mga paligid guys. Puro dilaw. Yung mga wild flowers. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo guys. Dami. Dilaw na dilaw. So nice looking. Parang ranch siya, ranch. Pero alongside the ranch, may mga dilaw na flowers, wild flower. I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya, pero ganda tingnan. Tahimik dito guys, sobrang tahimik na ano to, highway. Parang ano siya, outskirt. Going to Liki, Konkan. So ranches pa rin ang palibot, pero mas maraming puno-puno. So far, so good naman ang sasakyan ko guys. Ito. Kusa siyang nagmamaniho mag-isa. Then, matakbo. So, yan. Naka-set lang ako ng mga 74. So, 74 lang talaga. 75 ang speed limit. Then, engage lahat yung ano ko. Highway convenience, driving convenience. So meron siyang lane centering. Ayan, tinan mo. So nangihingi siya guys ng kamay. So ganoon, hawakan mo lang siya ulit. So guys, so kapag may kasalubong na karamdam mo mabilis din, hawakan mo lang para iiwas mo ng konti. Kasi yung camera is yung lane ng inaano niyan kina-calculate niya yung lane sa sender at saka sa gilid. Yung marking na yan na yellow at saka white para sumentro siya sa lane lagi. So katulad nyan, so hawakan mo ng konti, iwasan mo ng konti yan to be safe lang para hindi ka sumabit. Nahirap na. So sayang ang oras, sayang paggawa. Saka syempre hindi mo alam yung mga impact nun. So yan guys, kaya nangihingi na naman siya ng hands. Yan. Nagno-notify siya dito by words. Then after that nag-alarm siya kung hindi mo siya hawakan. Yan guys, that's how my Santa Fe is doing on the road. So, ganda. So yan, ang dalawa ko dito nag-aarutan yan guys. So yan, si JC saka siya nag-aarutan sila. Hi guys. So it's me. Hi. Na 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 na. It's me. Hi. Na 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 na. So yan guys, katulad niya no, paliko siya. So kusa siyang lumiliko guys. Talagang hindi ko siya hawakan. No? So naka 74 siya. Yan, nangihingi siya ng hand. hawakan mo lang siya ulit. Yan, balik mo. Usa siyang lumiliko talaga. Balik siya sa normal. Yan guys. That's how is Santa Fe. Then the suspension, suabe lang guys. Though sa ganitong kalsada, medyo rough siya. Ramdam mo yung gulong niya kasi yung gulong niya is pang ano trail, parang mini off-road na gulong. So naririnig mo siya ng konti. Pero hindi ganoon kaingay. Hindi katulad nung Mazda ko na CX-5. Ramdam na ramdam at dinig na dinig ko yung gulong niya sa kalsada. Hello guys, so ito na yung area dito banda sa Leaky Concan area. So bulubundukin pala dito guys. Ayan, may mga rolling na malalalim. So yan, bangin-bangin. So kaya pala may mga river dito. So yan. So update ko kayo guys kasi malapit na kami. 23 miles more. Alalay lang at medyo winding road. Then pabaliktad ang tagilid ng kalsada na iba. So alalay. Yan guys ang mga views dito. Saka yan guys, you know, look at that. There you go. So maraming ano dito, curbs. Malalay lang talaga pagka-drive dito. Hindi pwedeng hataw-hataw kasi baliktad nga yung ibang kalsada guys. Look at that. Nasa mga gilid, mga bangin na yan. Look at that. Malalalim guys yan. I love it. So yan. Then merong ano dito. Ayan guys, malalalim. May nakapark dito na Kia. I don't know what happened. They're resting or whatever. I don't know. Could be. So guys, iwasan ko to. Kasi yan ang ano dito eh. Oh, sinusundan niya yung ano. Yung ATV. So that's why. Guys, medyo ano nga dito, kakaiba. Palalo lang. Guys, ang baba pala tong leaky dito. So from the word leak, leaking water from the mountain probably. So yeah. So 75 naman ang speed limit dito guys, pero malalay lang. I think we are approaching to this village na. Baka dito na rin na area yun. So yan. At yung paligid dito. So may mga creek. Big creek. So Adapt Highway next 2 miles. Right. So it's, yeah. Mexico area, border area. Pero Texas pa rin to guys, quite far from the Kabihasnan. Pero 1 hour lang to 1 hour lang to San Antonio. So yeah guys, there you go. So yan ang paligid dito, scenery dito guys, quiet, and may mga mountainous area sa gilid, green. I don't know kung summer o kung winter time talagang nag-yellow ba siguro, nag-yellow ng todo rito. So probinsya dito guys. This is Leakey, Texas, Comcat, Texas area. So 17 miles more and we're about to reach our destination. So may packet pa dun guys, masarap dun mag-akit. May kalsada. Siguro ano yan, ATV lang ang pwedeng umakyat. O kaya mga motorcycle, I don't know. So dito mga bahay naman dito, farmer siguro. So guys, wow, Texas, this is Texas. Daming probinsya pa sa Texas talaga, kaya pang i-open. So yun guys, may bahay dyan, ranch. Iba-ibang mga rancho dito guys, kasi may flag talaga sila ng Texas saka America, yung mga may-ari ng ranch. So yan. Puro malalaki ang sasakyan nila dito. It's either pickup truck or truck ng mga SUVs. So ganun sila dito. This is it. Indian Creek Road. Okay. So may mga gravels dito, lalagay sa shoulder. Hindi pa naman naglalagay sila. So guys, this is Texas. This is Texas. Quiet. A very quiet place. Bagay halos lahat naman dito pag wala ka sa city proper. So quiet. Ganda ng lugar nila. So lalo na pagkagabi. So quiet. Look at that. May ano dito, parang school or like old camp ng military camp. Oh, may hog hunting dyan guys na area. So akit kayo sa bundok eh, bababa kayo, mag-hunting kayo ng hogs. Kano kayo bayad? Dito naman may Patag Ranch, paanan ng bundok. Frio River. Maganda ang tanawin at paliguan. Maganda siya paliguan kasi malinis. So dito may town din dito. No, farm owner house. Yan guys. So far so good naman ang aking sasakyan. No problem. So nakaubos kami ng 4 bars up to this place. Full tank yan simula sa San Angelo. Yan. Naka 70 miles per hour lang, although 75 ang allowed para mabidyohan ko ng maayos yung sceneries dito along the highway of this place, Konkan, West Frio River. So nakita ko na ito na yung Frio River guys. So wala pa naman dito, Toyota area na to. Hindi ko alam
In about 10 miles, turn left onto Ranch to Market Road.
So Ranch to Market Road. And may kainan dito. Right. So you guys turn left to Ranch to Market Road. So yun, may FedEx. Ranch to Market Road. Wala pa. So 45 lang speed limit dito. So ito na yung city ng Licky. 45 lang takbo dito. Tapos dito 30. So yan guys. So this is Licky. Tahimik na lugar. So quiet. Then okay. So yan guys, Licky Eagles. Yan. There's lang school dito. It's a city. Yeah, it's a city. Licky Eagles. So yan guys, 30 lang talaga speed limit. Tahimik na tahimik. So quiet. Parang sa labas nakakabingi ang katahimikan yata. Usually ganito lang naman dito sa Amerika guys, because nasa loob lahat, nasa office, working.
So habang nasa Licky City, Texas kami, may nakita nga kaming grocery na may mga antique sa loob, like this car. So we had a picture with it, then we proceeded to
Park Road 29 guys. We have to do the left turn right here. Alright, okay. You're gonna have this picture, family picture, meron dito. Alright, okay. So this is Garner. Hello. So Garner State Park, right? And we will proceed to that area. Dahan lang, 20 miles per hour lang ang
Arrive
allowed
at
dito.
Garner State Park.
Right?
Arrived.
Yeah. So overnight camping, right lane only. We're not actually doing some camping in this place. We're just checking the area, kung anong ganda rito. So guys, 20 lang ang speed limit, ang bagal. So ano bang dito? Ano bang movement dito sa loob? Ano ba? Are we gonna pay? No RV. Okay, no RV. Dito tayo. They use overnight.
Magbabayad tayo?
Oh, I don't know. guys, obtain camping permit inside headquarters. So we'll check. Guys. There are some parking here. And ayun yung company namin kanina. Then ayun. So ito guys. So doon pala talaga ang parking. So dito kami. Stop here. Okay. Is this a parking or a way? Huh? What is it, Charlotte? You think? Huh? Huh? Daanan, no? Daanan? Alright, okay.
Where are we going, Papa? Mag-stay ba tayo dito?
No, we got to see the river.
Layo.
Huh?
Papasok pa talaga dapat tayo.
Yeah, that's what we are here. That's why we are here. We consume our time coming up here. So we got to pay. Huh?
We have more. Yeah, we have more. 1 hour pa nga, diba? Layo po.
No, we're here already. Dito na tayo sa Garner. Mas malapit. Or we're going to like consume more hour going the place. Okay? So, ayan. Ikot-ikot din sila. So, we gonna go and pay. Right? Right. No parking, no parking. So, magbabayad yata guys dito. So, pipila kami.
Headquarters entrance yan eh.
Headquarters entrance, okay.
Doon talaga yun, no, nakalinya sila.
Where?
Ayun, nakapila sila, diba?
This thing? This one?
No.
Where's
The other
that?
one. Sundan mo lang yung mga coach. Ayun na yung maliit na back.
Yung, yan, ito, here?
Yeah.
Right. That's why I'm holding in line this queue area. So, dito yata guys magbabayad.
How much per
All right, so I'm already sold out for today. I'm sold out.
Oh my god.
Yes, sir. Not until 7 o'clock tonight. If you want to come back at then, you know.
Oh my god, yeah.
Yes,
We're
sir.
from San Angelo and very far already.
Yes,
We're
sir.
trying to catch up and
Yes, sir. I
anyhow.
understand.
Right.
You know.
Okay. So some other time probably.
Yes. Well, tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
You know.
No, we're going back to San
You're
Angelo.
going back
Oh,
home. Yeah. West Texas. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyhow.
Odessa. Yeah. So.
Right. Okay. We will check the other place.
Yes, sir. Already. I'll take care.
Yeah, okay. Hello guys, so we're approaching to Konkan place. This is historical marker, 1 mile. So, saan ba banda yan Konkan na yun? Konkan River. We're checking on you. Where were you? RV dito guys, nag-vacation. So Konkan Baptist Mission. So this is Konkan place already. This is the town of Konkan, and the speed limit is 55 only. You get to respect that. I'm on 45. Just nothing to worry. So wala namang river dito sa area na to. Could be sa baba ng
Use the left lane to turn onto State Highway 127.
so guys, we're turning to State Highway 127. So going to Konkan, right?
Turn left.
Right, Charlotte? Okay. So yeah, here. So this is
For
guys
about 21 miles, continue straight.
about 21 miles, continue straight. So this is Compadres Beer and Liquor. Oh yeah. I don't know. Baka doon papunta anak.
No, diretso lang.
The river.
Free river na oh.
Free River. We're almost there. Konkan, 1. Ayan, 1 na lang. 1 mile. Right?
Yes.
So 24 hours per state bank. This is Konkan town, city of Konkan. So I don't know. So guys, lalaki ng mga sasakyan dito, puro almost pick up. So yan guys, may mga parking place dito.
Wait lang.
Nakapasok na ako.
So right,
Paano nakapasok na lang?
dining room. So this is Free River.
Yes.
Free River. So guys, hindi siya maganda ngayon. Tuyo siya. So there's your. Can we go to the place?
You wanna?
Right.
Wait lang.
Yeah. So what's
Keys
in there?
for an
The
adult.
swimming hall, 50 per vehicle, up to 4 guests. Okay. So we got to check the place, okay?
Okay.
Alright, okay. So guys, papasok kami dyan sa the swimming hall. 50 per vehicle, so yeah. Alright, okay.
Okay, guys. So we're at Konkan now.
You're welcome, sir. Thank you too for allowing us then.
Here.
Yeah, I'll pay.
So we're at Konkan. My dad just paid, so we can go in and just check the
So we
place.
can park anywhere there as long as. Right, okay, alright.
So
Nagtingin ko na to.
I was planning to stay. I actually want to stay here because there's like a slide. See over there is a slide.
So where's the parking then? Where's the parking?
I think it's gonna be great.
Where's the parking?
Okay,
Is this the
I'll update you.
place?
Okay, so we're basically here, and as you can see, yeah, there's like some little camps on the lake, and it's pretty great because everyone is. There's a lot of people here. And yeah, so we're here, and I think Papa's gonna just check the place, but I actually want to stay here. I want to go back to San Antonio. So yeah.
So guys,
Okay.
Alright. So guys, we're actually here sa Konkan River. $50 ang entrance for maximum of 4 inside the car. So nag-open to guys ng alas 10 ng umaga hanggang alas 7 ng gabi. Kita mo naman guys, look at that area, di ba? So punong-puno guys. So hindi ka talaga makakuha ng area rito kasi hanggang doon punong-puno. At saka dito sa gilid. See? Look at that. Capacity nito guys, puro sasakyan. So wala kang mapwestuhan talaga na maayos pagka late ka na. So dito, tingnan mo guys. So may ano dito, merong volleyball court. Maliit lang, mini volleyball court. Ganda guys. Wow, look at that. That place is loaded with people. So wala tayong mapwestuhan ngayon. Ayaw rin ng anak ko na lumabas. So next time probably we'll visit here like early in the morning. And I don't know kung nag-accept sila ng reservation. Yeah. So guys, and, meron siyang ibang lugar dito. Meron pa doon sa kabila. So meron doon guys sa tabi. Okay. Then yeah. So punong-puno guys. Solid. Kitang-kita sila. Madaming kita ang madaming income na pumasok ngayon. Ewan ko kung sa local government ito o not. Pero solid guys. Malamig dito. So are not coming out? Are not going out from your position there?
No, I don't want to.
So they don't want because wala nang mapwestuhan. So sayang, oh. Kung maaga kami, maraming mapwestuhan dito. Pero gawa nung late na nga kami, walang mapwestuhan. So guys, yun. Ito yung Kongkan place. So may mountain dyan sa tapat. Dito, punong-puno. Super puno talaga. Summer na summer ang dating dito. Malayo kasi sa dagat kaya dito sila bumabagsak. So yun guys.
Pero imigin mo pa sa kupa.
So guys, iwanan muna namin tong lugar na to dahil wala talagang walang magandang mapwestuhan. Pwede namang sumausaw ka doon pero kulang ang space na tatambayan mo dahil sobrang init din. Yan guys, yan yung Kongkan River. Simula dyan hanggang doon yan, stretch hanggang doon sa dulo. Hindi na namin tinignan sa dulo. Gonna go now. I think we're done. Alright, San Antonio. So we're going to San Antonio Asian Market. Mga dumating po. So kailangan talaga ng preparation.
Starting route to Asia Market.
Alright.
Proceed to the route, then turn left onto State Highway 127.
Alright. So, uwi na kami guys. Next time ulit. So, update lang. Dito ka magbabayad ng entrance. So guys, labas na kami rito sa free river ng Kongkan. So, yan yun guys. We're heading to
For about 20 miles,
San Antonio.
continue straight.
We'll visit the Asian Market and check ang mga gulay doon para magluto naman ako ng pinakbet. So bumili ng bagoong at saka okra at saka ampalaya para makakain kami ng medyo gulay-gulay. So let's go! So this is the RV place pala ng Kongkan River, Rio River.
So mga guys, it was really an adventure to travel to this far. Though hindi namin nagawa lahat yung gusto namin gawin sa area na pinuntahan namin. Pero alam na namin kung saan ito, kaya next time